What's up? We're back. It's true. And we're going to talk about stocks and cryptocurrencies. And we're going to explain it. And there's a big elephant in the room, and we're going to talk about it too. Don't you worry. Oh, there is. Are you ready? No, not you. Come on. Talking about you. Are you ready? Because this bad boy right here, I was born ready. Let's get ready. We are back, and it is a wonderful day in the markets. Let's just quickly look. The Dow jumps triple digits as the stock market rebounds from the worst day of the month. Haven't I said to you guys this before? Buy in the red, sell in the green. So if yesterday was a buying day, then today is a selling day. It's true. Now let's talk a little bit more about the elephant in the room. Because at the end of the day, we got to talk about what's really going on in the market. So I've been in the cryptocurrency space now for about 2 weeks, and we are learning and we are growing and we are becoming a dominant player in cryptocurrencies, and we will be a dominant player in cryptocurrencies. And Rich TV Live every single day is featuring Bitcoin, Livecoin, Ethereum, and all the latest Bitcoin news that are trending. So, being a new guy in the industry, I'm searching around. I find this website. It's called CoinMarketCap, okay? Here it is. CoinMarketCap. And it's a big site. It's a nice site. Every single day it's featuring different ICOs. Those are new companies that are in the cryptocurrency space that are actually going public. So you will have the opportunity to buy, sell, invest, and trade, earn Bitcoins from all these different little ICOs that are popping up every single day like popcorn. So I'm thinking CoinMarketCap, been around for a long time, featuring 788 currencies, pretty reputable company, right? Maybe not. Well, not to say that CoinMarketCap is not reputable, but whoever they're featuring here may or may not be reputable, and we had to learn the hard way because there was a company that we've been talking about, we've been featuring, I invested in, some of our investors invested in, we even tested it, we were getting paid, it was working great, everything was fantastic, everybody was happy. On Monday, I put in about $1,000 last week, and on Monday, I was supposed to be getting paid out $3,500 on my $1,000 investment. And trust me, I was excited. And I'm looking here, it's on CoinMarketCap every day. CoinMarketCap is being featured on this company's website as one of the top affiliates. Rich TV Live starts becoming one of the top affiliates. Everything's going great for about a week. Then all of a sudden, something crazy happens, and we've got members that are trying to get in, trying to buy, trying to invest, trying to get in the matrix, trying to get in the game, and what happens? Well, my goodness, what happens? Well, I honestly don't even know what happened. All I can tell you is don't buy anything that is promising you that you are going to get like 1%, 2%, 3% a day, 150% in a week, 300% in 300 hours. I'm thinking, hey, this is great. Almost like free money, right? Wrong. Wrong. It was not free money. They took our money. Damn. So, I don't know what's up. They send out an email on their Twitter page saying, stop sending us money. We don't want any more of your money. Something's going wrong. They don't contact us all of a sudden. All of a sudden, their website is down. Their Facebook page is down. And they're nowhere to be found. Whoa. Now, an eye-opener? Yes. Something I'm excited about? No. A learning experience? Yes. So what do I learn about this? Don't just invest in anything that these guys are featuring right here. Okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my goodness. So what was the name of the company, you ask? The name of the company was called CryptoClone. If you see any of these companies, which are called HYIP companies, that are promising you incredible gains in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, altcoins, stay away. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, is already a shortcut. Why try to shortcut a shortcut? I tried and I failed. Some of you tried to warn me. They said, Rich, you got Madoff. I didn't want to believe it. Well, I believe you guys now. Thank you for the warning. Unfortunately, I had to learn the hard way. A few of our investors also had to learn the hard way. They reeled us in, promised us the world. We all made some money. I didn't make any money, but some of us made some money, and we were feeling pretty good about it. We did test it. We were getting paid. And then the unthinkable happened. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. I've learned this before in my life in the past. Being only in the crypto space for 2 weeks, I didn't think that anything like this was going to happen. And it did. So I pray that if you invested in CryptoClone, that you're able to get your money back. I pray that I'm able to get my money back. But it's definitely been an eye-opening experience. And all I can say is, I'll never be doing that again. So right back to the markets we go, right back to the BIT10, right back to the stock market. We move forward undaunted and we look for the next investment. Alright, where's Bitcoin today, you ask? Well, it's at $2,542 and it's winning up 8.13%. What else is up, you ask? Well, Ethereum up huge, 30% for Ethereum. A big winner if you got in yesterday. Didn't I say buy in the red, sell in the green? If you're up today and you bought Ethereum yesterday and you're up 30% today, well, what do I tell you guys? Buy in the red, sell in the green. Be disciplined, take your money and run. All right. You don't have to take my advice. Just saying, a good trader buys in the red, sells in the green. It's up to you to decide what you're going to do. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to let you know what the really good traders do that win. And they buy in the red, sell in the green. We're in a green day today. We were in the red yesterday, signaling a buying opportunity. And I hope you took advantage of that. Now, if you're sitting there ready to sell with your finger on the trigger finger, probably a good idea. Because tomorrow, we might go right back in the red. And that'll be a time to buy. Alright, let's look at some more. What else do we got? We got Ripple Told you guys yesterday at 24 cents was a good buy. Up to 27 today, up 7.6%. How about Litecoin? Litecoin at $41, up 12%. What else do we got here in the Bit 10? Ethereum Classic. I told you guys yesterday at $16 it was a buy. It's at 19 right now today, up 11%. Everything's in the green in the Bit 10. I love it. If you're not winning, you're not watching. How about NEM at 17 cents? We're up 18%. What do we got here? Dash, D-A-S-H. I love me some Dash. At $182, up 18%. And how about this one? IOTA, the gift that keeps on giving. It's at 38 cents, up 6.3%. And one of the shares and cryptocurrencies that I personally own, BitShares, in 9th spot at 26 cents, up 16%. Big winner today for BitShares. And last but not least, in the top 10, we got Stratus at $6.93, up 26%. Those are the big winners in the Bit 10. It's true. All in the green. If you bought yesterday, you made money in one day. Why try to shortcut a shortcut? We already learned the hard way, so you don't have to. If you're just getting into cryptocurrencies, when you see they're in the red, you buy them. And when you see they're in the green, you sell them. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Cryptocurrencies will end world global poverty. Let's win together. Together, everyone achieves more. Now let's talk about the market, shall we? What's going on in the markets? Well, we're in the green. We were in the red yesterday. Big time. Well, we're right back. The Dow up 148 points. The S&P 500 up 18 points. The Nasdaq up 57 points. The global Dow up 19 points. Gold, the safe haven, up 2.7 points. And oil, all the way to 44, up 0.42 of a point. The markets are on fire after they got destroyed yesterday. Gearing up for the long weekend. What are you thinking? What are you buying? What are you watching? What's on your mind? What are you looking at today? Well, let me show you what I'm watching today, right now. Right now, as we speak, BTSC. Now, I really like this stock, okay? It's a Bitcoin stock, and it's in the stock market. It's a small cap stock, only at 8 cents. And I believe because it is in the cryptocurrency space, in the Bitcoin services space, it's the right place, the right time. And I'm really looking to load up on BTSC. Now, when I look at BTSC, I really want to look at its chart because the chart will tell the story. And I believe the chart is pretty much saying that you want to buy it around 7 cents, okay? Let's take a look at this in very good detail. So bar chart is giving it a 32% buy with the weakening short-term outlook. Now, as you can see, BTSC has come from the underworld. In the last month, it's been as low as 4 cents on May 30th. Up 81% in the last month. In the last 3 months, up 700%. And in the last 6 months, since December 30th, up 7,000%. It's true. If you put in $1,000, this one investment would have made you $70,000. Now, we've seen it a little higher than this. We've seen it as high as 20 cents. And we're currently at, let's look at this chart, 8.5 cents. Now, what I see with the chart that is really getting my attention, the lowest it's been since May is 6 cents. 676. If you can buy it at 6 cents, I think you're winning, and it's signaling chicken dinner all day long. As a sniper, as a ninja, what we need to do is we need to be patient. We need to date the stock, and when we see it down to 6 or 7 cents, that's when we buy. And as a sniper, as a ninja, when you see it bounce back up to like 11 cents, that's where you sell. And that's a nice little spread where you can make money and you can get a nice return on your investment. Now, if it spikes even higher and hits 20 cents and you got in at 6 or 7 cents, well, that might even be surf and turf. And you know, there is a long weekend coming. I know a lot of you are going to be with your friends and family. Some of you might even want to cook up a turkey. So I really think BTSC needs to be on your radar immediately. I think it needs to be on your watch list immediately. And I think it has the potential to be a monster. Now, I'm not chasing any more stocks. I am going to be a true sniper. I ain't chasing it when they're up. I'm only buying when they're down. I'm going to be 100% a robot. And when I see they're down, those are the days I'm going to buy. Only the days when they're in the red. And when I see they're up, those are the days I'm going to sell. Totally like a robot. Because when I trade like a robot, I win. And anytime I get emotional and I try to hold these stocks looking for bigger, better gains, I either lose or the stock goes down and I'm sitting around waiting for the next day that they're going to go up again. So my best advice to you guys is don't chase this stock at 8. Don't chase this stock at 8.5 cents. I would be patient. Wait for a day that Bitcoin goes down, and typically on the day that the Bitcoin goes down, you will see that BTSC will also go down. Position yourself accordingly, and then when Bitcoin goes back up, you'll notice that BTSC will go up as well, and those are the days to sell. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Be disciplined, guys, okay? But don't just buy because there's one dip. Look at the chart, look at the lowest possible price in the last couple months, and try to buy at that price. Why not? Why not buy at the lowest possible price? It's going to give you the best possible return of investment, and that's how you make money as a sniper, as a ninja, as a trader. We are getting better every single day. We are going to continue to get better every single day. We're going to continue to learn how to buy low, sell high until we are perfect in our execution. Okay, guys? And believe me, I'm still getting better at trading every single day. You're still getting better at trading every single day. The key is looking for good companies in hot trending industries that have good management, good revenues, little to no debt, and a really good product. If we can stay focused on looking for companies that have all of those characteristics, we give ourselves a chance to succeed. But if we're just buying blindly, I'm telling you guys, these markets are rigged. They're rigged to take our money. So what we gotta do is we need to be snipers, we need to be ninjas, we need to be patient, and just be ready. And when we see our prey is nice and fat, in the red and beaten up, that's when we buy it. And when they're on fire and they're in the green and they're at all-time highs, that's when we sell, and then we take our money and run and stay in a cash position and be ready for the next opportunity that's down so that we can sniper it. It's true. It's true. Now let's take a look at some other winners. Let's take a look at NTNX, up 7.2% on the NASDAQ at $19.99. They're making big news, big headlines. Take a look at NTNX. Put it on your radar, on your watch list. It's a great company, and today they're on fire. You say, hey, Rich, what else is on fire? Well, how about SPEX, up 50%? I think that counts to be on fire. In fact, I'm going to give you some time to put this bad boy on your watch list. Throw it on your watch list. It's up 50%. Look at that chart. It exploded out of the gate. Whoop! 50% at $1.69. A NASDAQ small cap stock traded 9.6 million shares. At $1.69, it's a big winner, one of the biggest winners of the day, brought to you by Rich Dragalis. Now you ask, Rich, you got some sleeves today. What stocks are up your sleeves today, Rich? Well, I got some more, don't you worry. How about this? ANY, another NASDAQ small cap stock. And you know I love NASDAQ small cap stocks at 23 cents, up 24%. Traded 20 million shares. Ooh, yeah. Went all the way up. We're going to start dating right now. Are we dating SPEX? We are dating SPEX. It's on my radar. It's on my watch list, don't you worry. Are we dating NTNX? We sure are. Are you dating NTNX? Are you dating SPEX? Are you dating ANY? And if not, why not? How about this? Another NASDAQ small cap stock up 21%. What do we do when we find winners? We give recognition. HTBX up 21% at 68 cents on the NASDAQ. Traded 2 million shares. Throw that bad boy on your watch list. Put it on your radar. It's a big winner. Oh yeah, it's a winner. Now, one of our subscribers messaged me today and says, Rich. His name's Antonio. Antonio, you are a scholar, my friend. Thank you for the pick. Let's pull this pick up. This was actually from Antonio, one of our subscribers. Let's pull this pick right up right now. Right here, right now. So Antonio says, Rich, he says, Rich, you got JPOTF on your radar? I'm like, JPOTF? No. He's like, you got it on your watch list? No. He's like, you watching it? No. Well, I'm dating it now. And he says, well, why not, Rich? I said, well, never heard of it before. He says, well, Jackpot Digital Inc., fully reporting bulletin board company out of Canada. He believes it has huge potential, and he thinks it could go to 40 cents. That's right, 40 cents. And I'm thinking, that's a lot of chicken dinner. So I'm throwing it on my watch list. I'm throwing it on my radar. I'm going to start dating JPOTF, and we're actually calling them as we speak, trying to get them on our show. It's true. So, JPOTF, if you're watching, we'd love to have you on Rich TV Live to tell your story so we can know why everybody in the global investing economy should be interested in investing in your stock. Now, I have to do more due diligence. I got to get to know the company a little bit better, but looks interesting right now. It's come up already a little bit. Let's take a look at what bar chart thinks. Might as well take a look at what bar chart thinks, right? In the meantime, let's play a little bit of blank. So bar chart doesn't even have an opinion on this stock yet. When they do, I'll bring it to you, the people. In the meantime, let's just look at what it's done. In the last month, it is up from a penny to 3 cents, up 209%. That's impressive. In the last 3 months, up 240%. And since October, up 871%. Ooh, yeah. That's a big win. So, Antonio, I like it. I love big winners. And you know what? I might just buy me some. Maybe even today. It's true. I mean, isn't risk my middle name? So I'll let you know if I pick some up, and I'm going to be watching it very carefully. I never bought a casino stock. JPOTF. Let's see here. JPOTF, you look very interesting. And what I'm going to do is we're going to do a little more due diligence. I'm going to show you guys how to do my due diligence. You go to otcmarkets.com, type in the symbol JPOTF. As you can see, it's a fully reporting bulletin board company. OTCQB means fully reporting bulletin board company, means it's fully transparent, up to date in its filings, up to date in its financials. That's a good sign. Now, let's learn a little bit more. What I do is after that, I go into OTC Markets, click on company profile, right there. Let's blow this up so you guys can read this. So, Jackpot Digital Inc. is a leading electronic table games ETGs manufacturer and mobile gaming provider for the cruise ship industry and regulated casino industry. The company specializes in multiplayer gaming products, including poker and casino games, which are complemented by a robust suite of back-end tools for operators to efficiently control and optimize their gaming business. Sounds interesting. Now let's take a look at their share structure. The market value currently at 3 cents is $12 million. That alone is pretty impressive. Now, how do you get that number? You multiply the outstanding shares. The amount of shares outstanding are the amount of shares that are out there in the market held in insiders, officers, directors, shareholders, and consultants. Anybody that has stock currently being held in the company that owns shares are the outstanding shares. There's 311 million shares. Now, for a stock that's at 3 cents, that's actually not so bad. Okay, this is not a huge number. I see a lot of companies that are in the billions, some of them even higher. So this isn't scary, enormous, and out of control. That's okay. Now, out of this number, most of that is in the float, which means out of the outstanding shares, most of it is actually out there for people to buy and sell. So the majority of the stock is out there in the float, which means there could be a lot of selling pressure. There could be a lot of potential people selling stock. So that's something I would be a little bit concerned about. I'd have to do a little bit more due diligence and get to know the company a little bit better. Now, in learning more about the company, you can see that the company is listed on the TSX Venture Exchange, which is a Canadian company, Toronto Stock Exchange. The company is a services, amusement, and recreational services company incorporated in British Columbia. Interesting. And the CEO's name is Jake, COO Robert Bell, CFO is Beto, and the secretary's name is Maria. So right there, you can find all the information at your fingertips. Their accountant is right here in Vancouver, and the Securities Council, once again, is right here in Vancouver. So they're right here in my town. Hey, guys, we got to get together. We need to find a way to work together to really bring you guys to the forefront and tell your story. So this is a very interesting company. I really, really like it from what I see so far. I need to do more due diligence. I need to get into their filings and their disclosures. I will, and I will do some more due diligence and get to know the company before I make an investment as well. But what I will do, Antonio, thank you very much for the pick. I will definitely start getting more information and get to know the company a little bit more and get to know them a little bit better. And if I make an investment, I'll let you guys know. I always do. And we'll keep watching it. And get to know the company a little bit more and get to know them a little bit better. And if I make an investment, I'll let you guys know. I always do. And we'll keep watching it. It's what we do. We live stream every single day live on Rich TV Live, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy. And if you're looking for anything stocks and Bitcoin related, well, you don't need to go anywhere else. All you got to do is go to Rich TV, click on home, and you'll be able to find some information. Click on news to find everything Bitcoin and stocks related and news related. Click on videos to see our latest videos and top videos that are trending. Click on Livecoin to trade cryptocurrencies. Click on CoinMama to buy cryptocurrencies and buy Bitcoin. Go to Local Bitcoin to buy Bitcoin and sell your Bitcoin. And go to Choice Trade, make the right choice. For only $5 a trade, you too can start trading stocks, penny stocks, big board stocks, Forex, options. It's true, all in one place. Make the right choice. Choose Choice Trade. All right, guys, what else is trending in the markets? As we speak, we see JPOTF currently at 3.2 by 3.4. There's 232,000 shares on the bid, only 92,000 shares on the offer, and then we see it go to 4 cents. Might be a sniper opportunity. I'll be watching. Thank you, Antonio. And if you're a subscriber, if you're a viewer, if you're somebody that's looking at stocks and you want me to analyze your stock, Give me your stocks, guys. Email richtvlive@gmail.com. Give me your stocks, any stocks that you're watching, any stocks that you like, any stocks that you're buying, or if you just want an opinion, email me. I always do my best to respond to everybody as soon as humanly possible, and I might even bring up the stock on the show, and I might even bring you up on the show if I like the pick. Thank you very much, guys. I love it when you guys communicate because it's people helping people. Now, let's go back and take a look at the markets. As we speak, BTSC is currently at 8.5 cents. But look at the offers here. There's 3 offers at 8.5 cents, which means there's way more selling pressure than there's buying pressure. There's 19,000 shares of buying at 8.5. There is over 180,000 shares of selling pressure at 8.5. I would not be buying at 8.5 right now. I'd be looking to buy this at around 7 cents. Every time it goes to 6 or 7 cents, that's the bottom in the last 3 months. And then it goes up to 10, 11, as high as 20 cents. And that's creating a selling opportunity. Okay, guys? That's how I would be trading BTSC. Now let's take a look at the other big and the biggest cryptocurrency stock in the galaxy, GBTC, Bitcoin Investment Trust, up 3% at $408 a share, traded 24,000 shares. This was as low as $297, I believe, last week, and now it's bounced back heavily. So what it's really doing is giving us an idea of what the floor is, and if we see it go back down again, we'll understand that it might be a great buying opportunity because we've seen what it does when it goes down. We've seen what it does when it goes up. We've seen it as high as, I believe, 560, and I've seen it as low as, when we first started watching it, $130. So buy low, sell high, GBTC. I love this stock. I'm out of it right now. If I see that it goes down in the 300 range, that's what I'm going to be looking to position myself in this stock. Okay, guys? And let's take a look at one more stock. ITUS. It's been getting promoted very heavily. It's on the NASDAQ at $1.09, currently up 13.5%. Putting a little spring in my step. Look at this. Whoop! ITUS. A big winner. Got chicken dinner written all over it. Up 13%. Don't chase it. But if you see it goes down and goes in the red, might be signaling a buying opportunity. And when you see it goes in the green and you're up, that's a selling opportunity. All right, guys. That's all for me today. Buy low, sell high. Buy in the red, sell in the green. The markets are up. Cryptocurrencies are up. I'm looking for my next sniper opportunity. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on the show, because all I do is bring you winners. Now, what the heck is going on with the freak, you ask? The freak, he's super freaky. And you guys love the freak. So why don't I just show you what he's doing? Let's see what the freak is doing, shall we?
People, it's Naveed here, Rich TV. So I'm just like, some party people, it's Naveed here, Rich TV. So I'm just actually just chilling, waiting for a haircut. So I just want to show you guys where my barber, who the barber is. This is the only guy that I will let give me a haircut.
Like literally, he cuts his own hair.
And he's in the Dominican Republic. So
the freak cuts his own hair.
Just, right behind me. You see the guy.
Unless he's in the Dominican Republic.
Right. You guys looking for a haircut? Ask for Freddie, man. So that's the best hair. So I just chill on the corner, right here, and just watch people right across the street. Cut my towel. But that's it. Coming by. That right. This street leads to the main street, and a lot of people come off that street right behind me. That's the main street, Pedro Castante. So, but yeah, man, just want to show you guys real quick. Get my haircut, and I'll even show you guys even how good of a haircut he does. This is what my hair looks like right now, guys. It's just gonna get it, you know, a little more trimmed, shaved. You know, you guys bring out the straight razors and everything like that. So, and then tonight I'm gonna shave and everything, get ready. I should get a nice. So yeah, man. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Mivi, Rich TV. I'm out.